Hi, my name is Shabnam Weber, and I'm the president of the Tea and Herbal Association of Canada. I just got my very own VIVA Recharge mug, and I'm so excited to show you how to make the perfect cup of iced tea. So for the hot days of summer, nothing better than a nice iced tea. And I'm going to make it for you using this exact same mug. Now open up your lid, click back, pull out your inner chamber from your outer chamber, and I'm going to make a green tea. This one is a flavored green tea, I think with a little bit of cherry. I love my iced teas with a little bit of extra flavor. It's totally up to you what you use. Now I'm definitely going to use more tea than I would if I were making a hot tea, just because we're going to be diluting this with some ice. So I want some nice strong flavors. So let's put in about 4 tablespoons. And I'm going to pour my hot water. This time I'm going to pour to the bottom line. There are 2 lines inside of your container. One is for hot tea, one is for cold. We're just going to pour to the bottom because we've got all that ice that we're going to put in at the end. Now you can leave this to sit just like this and let it get nice and strong. Or if you like, you can put your chamber and just let that steep for a while. Now again, because I want a nice strong infusion, I'm going to let this steep longer than I would hot tea. Normally for a green tea, 1 to 3 minutes is recommended, but for a cold tea, I'm going to double that. And again, because I want that strong flavor to not be gone when I dilute it with the ice that I'm about to put in. So wait your 6 minutes. If you like to sweeten it, do it when it's hot because you're going to be able to integrate the sugar in nicely. Plunge on down and nice and closed. I'm going to take off my top because I want an open chamber. And I'm going to fill this up now with ice. Nice and full. And we're going to close this really tightly. Make sure that you've got it closed and the lid snapped shut, and shake. Make sure it's clipped back. Delicious. Iced, simple, and ready to go.